Good morning. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Hope all is well. Today is Sunday, November 21st, 2021. And as I was leaving the shop, I got a little side project going on, a little side job. Yeah, right? The shoemaker's shoes. The shoemaker's kid's shoes, right? But as I was leaving the shop, an emergency call came in about 5 minutes from the shop over in Valley Stream. Gentleman's got no heat. I've been there a few times. And I said, listen, you want an emergency service call today? And she goes, yeah, of course. Like, how soon can you be here? I was like, I don't know, how about 10 minutes? She was like, really? I was like, yeah, of course. Think I'm messing around? I keep it uncut, uncensored, and raw. So, I got my iPhone 13, and we're going to film. We're going to see why this family has no heat today. Now, I don't have my iPad with me because I wasn't anticipating going on a service call, but I'll bang it out with the iPhone, and we'll figure it out, and she'll pay me. She'll pay St. Mike. All right, let's get going. Timer flash 7 times. BTU system. You ain't testing, you're guessing. Oh, what happened to your foot?
Oh, I had surgery on my ankle.
Oh.
In September.
Okay. Thank you.
I get bone replacement, all kind of crap.
You alright?
I can't wait to get back to work.
Well, speedy recovery.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Haven't been here in a while.
Yeah, I know.
That's a good thing.
But now, Mike, I can't get downstairs. My wife's going to show you.
Alright, let me see what's going
She's
on.
down there.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you? Thank you so much for coming to
Oh, no problem. Thank you for calling when you did.
you don't realize how cold it is until you have no heat. You know what I'm saying?
Alright. I don't hear anything on here. Here we have resistance on all the zone valves. Let's see. There's that relay. Let's see. Oh. So we got power. Electronic ignition module. Let's see why this doesn't want to come on. Interesting. All right, thermostat was off. Now we have no resistance. The oil vent damper is opening. Main valve not opening. Main valve not opening. Did you look at that?
No, so it's been a while.
Even like the one downstairs, that's not battery operated.
No, but he said that one was off.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh.
We have 2 new AAA batteries. All right, so I replaced the batteries in first floor. Okay. So now, let's just lower the temperature for the basement zone. So now, I have resistance. First floor, I have no resistance. Now we're gonna turn on the other thermostat. Yeah, I wouldn't change the coil on. I would replace the whole condenser. Batteries in this one also replaced. That doesn't sound healthy. Second floor main house. Second floor. Oh, that's that separate zone. And now we gotta find this one. All right, I couldn't get access to that one. But now we have, thank you. Now we have no resistance there. So now I'm gonna turn off first floor and then den. All right, I power cycled this boiler now 4 more times. And I timed the delay between once the pilot was lit to main ignition, and all 4 times it was almost like around 20 seconds, which is a little long. And I explained this to the homeowner, and I said, listen, if the boiler was in much better condition, maybe let's just do a real good cleanup and tune up on this thing, and replace the valve, or it's lived a long life. Maybe we want to consider replacing it and cleaning all this up so it's more service friendly in the future. So I got this circulator right here, this B&G 100. She's loud. I put some oil in it. It's 3-in-1 oil into the ports. It's still kind of loud, but let's see if she circulates. I gotta find that other one that's coming back, number 4. Number 4 is right here. No. This is gonna be number 4. Yeah, she's hot. And I can hear tons of thermal expansion going on over there, so I know we're circulating. Very loud. Very loud. All right, I put some more oil in her, and she's still kind of loud, and eventually the circulator is gonna die, and hopefully it's not. Oh, it just stopped. Look at that. I used 3-in-1 oil. It finally stopped. See that? St. Mike commanded thee to be quiet, and sure enough, it stopped making noise. Nicey nice.
It's been a while, quite a while. Yeah.
So the type of circulator that you have there for that den requires to be oiled annually?
Okay. I was making a ton of noise yesterday.
Yeah.
I hobbled down there.
You hobbled down
I don't know
there?
how I got down there, and I had a little bit of 3-in-1 oil.
Yeah.
And I put some in there, and what I had made it slow down a little bit.
So now I added more while it was running, and it finally stopped.
Oh yeah, come on. I'm sorry. I'm blocking.
It's okay. It's okay.
All right. So, banged out that service call. Realistically, I spent about 40 minutes there. Even earned a tip, which is nice. And I told him, laid the cards on the table. I was like, listen, you don't need to replace the boiler, but it is a cost-effective decision. Right now, the boiler's working. We fired it up 3 more times in front of the homeowner. And I said, listen, this is now a total of 7 times since I smacked the ship out of your gas valve, and it fired up at 20 seconds, approximately 20 seconds each time. I timed it. I timed 4 of them, and then the next 3, I just was just like, wait, we're talking and blah, 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 blah. But I told him, listen, budget to replace the system. You don't have to. It's safe. It's burning well. I did a quick little combustion test, right? I said it's safe, it's burning well, but you need to put in a new engine in your car. Do you want to put a new engine in a, 50-year-old car? Say 40-year-old car. Close enough. It's old. And she goes, it's a great idea. Let's just replace the boiler. And I was like, how long is it going to take to replace the boiler? I was like, listen, we'll bang out the boiler in less than a day. The question is, how soon can we get the material for it? That's the unknown. So she was like, all right, we'll give you a call tomorrow. Let's just talk about it over the weekend, because today was her kid's birthday, and they had a lot of plans today. They didn't anticipate waking up to no heat this morning, but fortunately, they called at the right exact time, and I was able to get there in about 7 minutes. All right, guys, you guys want any stickers? Like version 2.0, if you ain't testing, you're guessing, details in the description box down below. I officially got the long sleeve Pipe Doctor shirts in blue. I got them in medium, large, and extra large. The long sleeve Pipe Doctor shirts are now available. Link in the description box down below. All right, guys, hope you enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I got to go do this side job real quick. Real quick. It's probably going to take me about 4 hours, but myself. I got to pipe in completely rough in a dining room bar sink with an ice maker line with and a drain. And of course the hot and cold waters. Maybe I'll record it, maybe I won't. The crawl space is kind of, very gross and disgusting, but nonetheless, I gotta get it done today because they need it done by Thanksgiving. And next week is a very short week, and we're off, probably gonna take a half day on Wednesday, but we'll see. You guys will appreciate that. All right, guys, be well, God bless, and most importantly, stay safe. And let me know what you have done. Would you have made them replace that gas valve while you were there? Or would you have done what I did? Let me get your thoughts. All right. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.